Hi there, this is just a short video about my daily driver 16-inch Sony portable TV. A few days ago I was watching it and suddenly it just went black and white. There was no colour at all, and so the colour demodulation circuit had stopped working. The actual picture, when you actually went onto the sort of volume and so forth, was actually in colour on the green little bar which goes across, which if I actually demonstrate to you like that, there was green on there. So I knew that the actual circuits for the red, green and blue for the tube were absolutely fine. So it was displaying colour on the tube, but the signal coming in either from the SCART socket or from the RF was all in black and white. So I've not had much time to really go through this. This is a quick video, and I've just quickly opened it up, and I've basically gone through the entire circuit board. This here is the teletext adapter here, but the main circuit board down there, I identified all the colour demodulation circuits and went through and basically touched every single solder joint. If it looked at me funny, I actually put some solder on it. Now, when I first got this television, it was an absolute mess. It was sold working, and it didn't, on eBay, and it was absolutely full of bad solder joints, absolutely everywhere. There was cracked through-hole components. The solder around it, quite a lot of them were all cracked, and it took me probably about 3 hours to actually get this up and running. Now, it's been running for, well, about 2 years. No problem at all, great picture and so forth. So this was just a quick thing. I've still working on this TV here. It's been causing me quite a large amount of grief. There is some sort of short on this board here, and I'm still trying to work out where it is. The power supply board here is absolutely fine. So this board here is outputting the right voltages. It's all good. And so I've been sort of slowly tracing it. I've had lots of things happen recently and elsewhere in my life, so I've not really had a huge amount of time. But here, as you can see, it's a nice colour picture. It was essentially, if I see whether I can get this to do it, there we go. So if I do this, the picture looked like that, which is basically black and white. Ooh, hang on, stop, breathe, stop it, you fuck. Come on. So yes, so it's just a completely black and white picture. Let's see whether I can. It might. Come on. So that's essentially what it looked like, which was a black and white picture. So touching all of the solder joints in the colour demodulation circuit, but also just going through the whole board, everything from the main control chip all the way through up to the teletext tuner. I've actually touched virtually every component. I even used a heat gun on some of the surface mount components, and as you can see, the colour is back in. So there we go. That's just a quick one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.